Hi, my name is Zhongyue Qing. My client and friend refer me as Qing. I'm the wellness educator at the heights of wellness. You will fall in love with life when you experience our purposeful exercise system, a wellness approach to our philosophy of one body, one life. My commitment to teaching is rooted in my Chinese name. Heal with joy, Yue. Serving with love, Qing. So with a passion to learn and change for the better, it's all about what? Joy. A passion to share is love. Our purposeful exercise system is practiced by integrating the concepts of wellness of both the East and the West. After practicing and teaching dance and wellness for over 40 years, I have developed an extensive knowledge of breath work, nutrition, and movement. These three wellness approaches are drawn from the yin-yang philosophy. Through the study of our purposeful exercise system, you will achieve the result that you have been searching for, including beautiful posture, joyful walking, playful cardio, blissful hiking, helpful balance, purposeful flexibility and strength, meaningful movement, Qigong, insightful movement, Tai Chi Chuan, plentiful energy, and lastly, grateful longevity. Getting results begin by reviewing fundamentals you may have missed. You will start by learning our Purposeful Movement program and then proceed to our injury-free, Ageless Exercise program. You will discover how to exercise without injuries and enjoy your favorite sports while choosing appropriate exercise and develop a better awareness of the necessary nutrition program that correspond with the condition of your health. I will guide you safely as you advance in this new experience of learning. In order to achieve fitness at a golden age, you must adopt a wellness lifestyle. You mustn't forget the old saying that the older you are, the wiser you are. Since making wise choices is based on a wealth of knowledge, daily practice, and commitment, you will learn to let go of the attitude that more is better and replace it with the question, am I doing it right? There are no shortcuts or quick fixes. Learn it right and enjoy optimal wellness for a lifetime. Thanks, and this is Qing, the wellness educator. Join me and begin your education in wellness. Let's all adopt heights of wellness into our life. Thanks again. Be well.